everyone, so this is the first video to start my lock journey. So this is my hair straightened. Please excuse it's a hot mess, but yeah, this is my hair straightened. Right now it is currently past my collarbone. It's like literally at my bra. My bra is like right here. So if I turn around, I don't know if you guys can see it. So my bra strap is like, it's like right underneath my bra strap. So my hair is bra strap lane straightened, which is fairly long. It's the longest it's ever been, I think. So my hair is fairly long and I'm so excited, but I decided to do this journey because I'm just so over touching my hair and not knowing what to do. When it's straightened, it's fine, but like I don't want to keep straightening it because it's obviously going to cause heat damage. And then when it's in its natural state, it's pretty and all, but like I have a lot of hair and I've had a lot of hair for like my whole entire life. It's always been super thick and fairly long for the most part since I've kept it healthy and stuff. But oh my gosh, it's such a hassle to do my hair. It's so thick and I'm just so over it. I just want to get up and go. I have a child and I know obviously it's like, oh,
don't let one child like determine your hair fate.
But I'm just over it. I just want to get up and go. He has a lot of hair. We're not cutting his hair until he's old enough to like let us know like he wants his hair cut. And his hair is hella thick, hella curly, so it does require a lot of maintenance as well. And I just always loved the lock look, and I just always wanted to try the lock look. And obviously I can do faux locks, but I don't want to. I just like, why not do it? Like I'm very impulsive, so if I see it, I want to get it done. And that's pretty much what happened. So today is April, I believe 17th. And I would say on April 12th or so, I was going through my YouTube channel and I came across a girl. I forgot her name, but I'll tag her in the description box. And I'm like, oh my god, her hair is beautiful. And it was microlocked and I'm like, I'm doing this. I am doing this because it gave the impression it's microlocked, but her hair was still thick and it gave like, it literally looked like her hair was like in a braid out kind of thing. Like it had fullness, but it was like teeny tiny little twists. And I'm like, oh, I'm doing this. And I just want to grow out my hair to its full potential. I just want to rock my natural hair to its full potential without having to do too many things and manipulation and all that craziness. So yeah, that's kind of what decided my journey. And I'm just so excited. And then like I saw it this week and I'm like, I'm getting this done like literally today, so, or tomorrow. Today's Friday, so I'm gonna get done Saturday. And yeah, I'm very impulsive. And once I saw that, I'm like, yeah, I'm doing it. So before I start rambling, this is what my hair looks like. This is my hair before the journey. This is the last time I'm gonna be able to like straighten it, run my hand through it. And I'm absolutely okay with that because it's gonna just get healthier, stronger, God willing, if I do my part. But yeah, so I'm gonna go wash my hair. I'm gonna show what my hair looks like washed. The last day it will be free and loose. And yeah, I'm so excited to start this journey with you guys and document this journey, and wish me luck. Okay guys, so I'm currently all washed up. This is what my hair looks like. I just threw it under 2 plastic caps. So I just deep conditioned my hair. So I shampooed actually, and then deep conditioned with my Aussie Moisture conditioner, and also my VATIKA deep conditioner, one of my favorite deep conditioners. So yeah, this is my last deep condition before I am going to do my Microlocs, and I'm so excited. It's bittersweet, but like even just to wash my hair, I'm like, oh my gosh, it's such a hassle. So I'm excited to not have to do that again. So my process of washing my hair, I know you're supposed to use a clarifying shampoo, but I don't have a clarifying shampoo. And we're in quarantine and I'm not gonna go to the store just to get clarifying shampoo. So I just used my, I think it's my Argan Oil sulfate free shampoo. I'll show a picture or I'll leave it in the description box. Everything I use I'll leave in the description box, but I used that And then I went in with my Aussie Moisture, and then I did my deep conditioner on top of that. So I'm just gonna leave this in for like a good 1.5 hours to 2 hours, just to get as much moisture in my hair as possible before I lock. So I will show you when my hair is all washed out, my final afro, my final poof, and then we begin the process. So I'm so excited. I'm so giddy, and my mouth is blue because I had a blue ear head. I'm loving those lately, so my bad. But yes, I will show you how my hair looks like out after it's deep conditioned. Okay guys, so my hair has been wrapped up in this plastic wrap for like literally a good 3 hours because I fell asleep in it. So this is what it looks like with product. This is what I'm working with my product. Oh my gosh, it's so gunky and heavy. But this is what I'm saying goodbye to. My hair, my curl pattern. So yeah, let me just shake it up. I'm about to go wash my hair now. And yeah. So I went from straightened to this, and then I'm gonna wash it out, and then I'm gonna start my locks. So I'm so excited. Okay guys, so this is my hair freshly washed. It's still wet, but this is what it's looking like with no products in it. So I'm just going to dry the rest of my hair and prep it for the locks. So I'm just going to, I'm not too sure how my mom's going to section it. So I'm just gonna put my hair in like maybe 6 braids or so just to stretch it out. And then I will take a photo of how she sectioned it, and then we'll go from there.